everyone, welcome to another video. If you're new here, you can call me B. I'm sharing my life as an illustrator, business owner, and all-around art content creator. In this video, I'm going to be showing how you can make a sticker from start to finish, and I did this all in one day, so if I did it, you know that it's possible to do it in one day if you are looking to do that as well. Very quick before we get into the video, I want to say a thank you to all of my new subscribers. I had a big handful in the last couple of weeks. Thank you so much. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe so you can watch this channel grow as I continue to share my art. Now, there are two ways that you can make stickers from home. The first is if you have a sticker cutter and printer, and the second is by outsourcing your stickers on a sticker website. I'll be showing you both ways, so don't worry if you don't have any physical supplies. One thing to note is that I haven't done this with traditional artwork, so I'll personally be using my tablet and the app Procreate. Now let's get right into step one, which is the warm-up sketch. It's always important to warm up before you draw, but it's especially important when you're designing a product. I don't know about you, but I tend to get a little overwhelmed designing things for my shop because I get decision fatigue. I also want them to turn out perfectly, and that leads to me really being scared of even starting. So the best thing to do to combat this is warm up with some messy sketches. I like to start off with a subject that I'm comfortable with. So today I am just drawing a bunch of flowers. I am using reference photos from Pinterest on my phone so I can take a look at the photo when I need to, and this also helps me to be more comfortable. While I was drawing, I did figure out an idea for a sticker that I wanted to draw. So that leads us to step 2, which is drawing the rough draft of your sticker. The idea that I got from drawing the flowers was drawing a chamomile honey jar. So that's what I'm drawing here. I tend to make the rough draft and final draft at the same time by cleaning up my rough draft as I go. It's just the way that I've come to draw most of the time. However, for this drawing, I did decide on a different pencil after I drew the rough draft, so I'm just going back over it and creating new line art. I'm also drawing the chamomile flowers as a little logo for the front of the jar. I want this sticker to be very interesting to look at, so I'm using high contrast highlights and shadows to make the jar look shiny and bubbly. Coloring in the stickers is my favorite part of the process because, for one, you can keep the colors very simple, and two, the fun stuff like the highlights and the sparkles at the end is what's really going to make the sticker pop. I'm not going for any type of realism, just a simplified version of my style like I said in my last video. After we put the cut lines around our sticker, we're going to make sure that the background is turned off. Then we're going to upload it onto our tablet as a PNG. Once the sticker is finished, we are moving on to step 3. This is where we're going to turn our drawing into actual stickers. I have 2 parts to this, so feel free to skip to the part of the video that's applicable to you. The first method is by physically printing out and cutting your own stickers, and the second method is uploading your stickers onto a sticker printing website for them to make in bulk and then send back to you. For the first method, and the one that I use the majority of the time, you will need an inkjet printer and a sticker cutter. I personally use the Silhouette Cameo 4. I've linked them down below in my Amazon storefront if you want to go check those out. So for the first method, I'm going to take my PNG file over to my computer and upload it into my Silhouette Cameo app. So once my file is uploaded, I'm just going to size it to the screen, and then I'm going to make sure that my cut lines are on and sized to the size of paper I'm using. And then I'm just going to go ahead and duplicate my stickers until they fit the page. And I usually go for about 8 to 10 stickers depending on the shape of the stickers. I ended up printing 9 and that size worked out perfectly. So after you've finished sizing and arranging your stickers, you're going to take them over to the page that says send, and we are going to click print. I'm making sure that the print quality is high and the paper that I'm using registers as matte photo paper. This is very important to select the right paper so that the quality is the best that it can be. And then after that, I'm just printing it out. And then here's our stickers printed out and ready to be cut. The last thing I'm doing is taking product photos while I have all of my stickers out. I think this is a good idea to get it done right after you cut all your stickers so that it's easier to upload it onto your shop right away. And I'm just choosing a bunch of different angles so that I can have variety when I'm uploading them. Now we're going to head over to the computer as I talk about the second method of getting our stickers outsourced. Today I'm using a sticker app, but there are so many websites that you can choose from. So the first thing you're going to do is choose your sticker material that you want to use. I'm hoping to get a sticker printed in the future that has either a holographic or a glittery finish, but I think for the honey stickers, just a shiny vinyl would look cute. So I'm just going to choose that one, and then I'm going to upload my sticker. And once that's uploaded, it will tell you what size it recommends. And I like to go with the recommended size for it. This one is 3 by 2. And I'm just going to choose my quantity and then click add to cart. And there you have it. We just completed a sticker in one session. I didn't have an idea of what I wanted for this sticker before the video. So while I was doing my warm-up drawing, I just paid attention to the ideas that were coming into my head. And I just picked one that I thought would make a good sticker. And here it is. I think it's so cute. I'm so excited to put this up in my own shop. And you know that it's good when you would buy it yourself, and I would definitely buy this sticker. So I think this was a total success. I hope this video helped simplify the process of making your own stickers for your shop. Whether or not you have physical supplies, you can definitely do this in one session to help expand your art shop. If you watched this video and thought, well, you don't have the physical supplies right now and you don't really want to order in bulk, I highly recommend you checking out my last video where I show you how you can upload products to your shop using only a tablet. The tutorial is linked right here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in that video. Bye!